uChesney Kipler oneminyaka engu-22 oyilungu lophiko olulwa nobugebengu wadutshulwa ezivalele endlini kubo emva kokumbalekela enomngani wakhe. Umsolwa wafaka izinhlamvu ngefastela. Kusolakala ukuthi umsolwa owaziwa ngoMandla Buthelezi wasebenzisa isibhamu sakhe somsebenzi ukudubula isisulu kulandela ingxabano ababa nayo. Umsolwa akakwazanga ukuvela eNkantolo namhlanje ngenxa yokulimala ngemuva kokuzama ukuzibulala.
I want justice for my daughter, and that's what I'm going to fight for. He's changed my life now forever, me and my wife and my family. It will never be the same. But my daughter never had a voice, but I'll be her voice now.
We are enough. Stop rape, stop child abuse, stop women abuse. We are enough, guys.
Umphakathi wase-Eldorado Park ufuna kuboshwe nabanye abathintekayo ekubulaweni kaChesney kuphinde kukhonjwe indlela umphathi wesiteshi samaphoyisa endawo umsola ngokungathatheli umsolwa izinyathelo ngesikhathi eqala ukusolwa ngokuhlukumeza umufi.
We are here to come and find out whether there was another person that was with Buthelezi and how far it is. Is that person being arrested?
So my question is to the South African Police Service and the station commander of Eldorado Park. You knew what a danger this man was in your premises. You knew that this man is not a safe person to assist our public. Why was this man's firearm not confiscated since there were several cases opened up against him in terms of his violent abuse towards women?
Umsolwa ungaphansi kweso lamaphoyisa esibhedlela eKhisimuzi Baragwanath.